Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got my 460 Rancher out. I'm going to show you how to replace the clutch. What you're going to need is your scrunch to get your bar and chain off, a punch, and a hammer. Alright, now when you get in close, what you're going to see is these little ledges here, and that's where your punch goes. You're going to put your punch on there, you're going to take your hammer and hit it, and that should start to loosen it. And when you do this, if your saw has a compression release right up here, make sure that that's not on, because then this will just spin around freely and you want it to be tight. Okay, so once you've hit it a couple times, it'll just spin right out. Once you spin it out, everything should just pull right off. Just like that. And there's your needle bearings that help carry your chain. And once you get your new one, I don't know if they come together or not, you're going to take it, and remember, these screw on counterclockwise. I got to get it started. And to put it on, you just get it snug with your fingers, and then put your bar and chain back on. And then when you start to saw next time, the crankshaft is going to turn this and tighten it up for you. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps somebody.